Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your GFX mentor, and we're gonna be doing our weekly analysis. So we're gonna be doing our weekly analysis. So without me wasting your time, let me get started. So as you can see from our previous market, the market has been going up and down. So let me just do this. Let me put my analysis here. Okay. Not saying the market is going up and down. The market always go up and down, but it has been triggering corrective. Not say correctively, it has been moving somewhat sideways. If let me just put this here. Let me just put this one here. Let me just put this here. Yeah, let me just put this here. So the market has okay. If I put it like this, you can see the market has been going. It has been inside this support and resistance. If you put our resistance here, you will notice that the market has been inside this resistance and support zone. So when the market touch here, we know obviously we're going to go to the upside. When it touch here, obviously we're going to look for selling opportunities. As we already did here, like I showed you here. Let me just put this here. I'm not supposed to put this one here, but as you can see, from this zone, you could have caught on this week, you could have caught this nice selling opportunities. That could have caught this nice selling opportunities. Usually, I put my stop loss between 25%, 25% and 30. Between 25% and 30, my stop loss is around 25 or 25% entry. So usually I target these zones here. As you can see, the market triggered sideways before going to the downside, create a little bit of support here, but obviously we knew that we're gonna go to the downside after a breakout. After this breakout, we obviously knew the market gonna go to the downside. But when was the market gonna go to the upside? So enter based on the candlestick, and you know you're gonna have selling opportunities. As you can see, the market after doing this, it never went above our stop loss. It only trickled sideways until it continued to go to the downside. So we could have always profited from this. But now, analyzing our week ahead, what do we see? We have to see the previous market condition to know the possibilities of what the market is gonna do for us. So, as you can see here, it was buying trend. As you can see, there was a buying trend. After a breakout, what did the market do? The market short. To the downside after a breakout. After I break down the market, like I said, 85% or 80% my stop loss somewhere around those numbers. So after the market, the market short to the downside. Market short to the downside. As you can see, you could have profited from this. You may be asking yourself, why am I doing this? I'm doing this. I'm trying to show you something. What the market. This one, yeah. Basically, I'm showing you setups on how you be able to capture on the next week move. So basically, the market, what I'm trying to show, after this first touch, the market went to the upside. So it did our first touch. After it did first, second, and the third touch, and it gave us the fourth touch. After giving us the fourth touch, it went to the downside, trickled inside this the support and resistance. It trickled inside this support, breaking it just a little bit to go to the upside. But what the most touches are usually from, I think, from the upside. Let's see, I think usually the most touches are from the upside. So the market has been rejecting those buyers. So for the past week, the market has been rejecting those buyers. But when we focus on the week ahead, as you can see, we see double touch here. As you can see, you see a double bottom formation. You see a double bottom formation. When you usually see a double bottom formation, you will obviously want those buying opportunities because on these buying opportunities, but the market has not broken our structure yet. The market is not broken our structure yet. As you can see, the market has been tricky, has been in a falling wedge. This is our falling wedge. This is our double bottom, and we might say this this is our third touch here, our first touch, and the our first touch, second touch, and the third touch. But because the market has not broken this structure, we will only get those opportunities when the market break this structure to go to the upside, or most probably when the market give us this type of formation, give us a breakout and a retest to go to the upside. It might give us our retest here. It might give us our retest here. It might give us our after breaking out. It might give us after breaking out the zone. It might give us our retest from these touches. It might give us our retest from these touches. Yeah, from might give us our retest there to go to the upside, and we will be looking forward to capitalize on this much big move to go to the upside. As you can see, our trend line is not there, so we're looking for those buying opportunities. So if the market does not appreciate our setup, the possibilities, because the market has closed beneath this trend line. Let me see. Let me review it. Beneath this trend line, because the market is closed beneath this trend, it's been failing to break this line because it is close to our zone. Because this is our trend line. This is what we call our strong zone. So the possibility of this market continuing this move to go to the downside, continuing this move to go to the downside, continuing our move to go to the downside. So if the market appreciates this setup, we will be looking for selling opportunity just because of our trend line, because of our trend line. So we're looking for those selling opportunities to go to the downside if it does not break our falling structure, this resistance, this resistance zone here. If it does not break it to the upside, we know we will look for selling opportunities, and we're gonna see how the market opens up to see further more confirmation if our analysis will still keep on showing us those selling opportunities. So this is my weekly analysis on US30. So let me just go to NASDAQ. But US30 has not given us that clear indication. As you can see, what I did here, go to 1 hour. So from here, as you can see, the market has been failing to break our strong zone. The market has been failing to break our strong zone. After the market failing to break our strong zone, what did the market do? It went and gave us a touch there. So as you can see, it has been failing to go to the upside. So because the market has been failing to go to the side, to break our support zone, if you put so let me just do here, based on the touch there. So now let me just see now, because of the market has been, ever since the market broke this level, as you can see, me, just by doing that, you can see, just by marking off this, as you can see, the market was failing to break this support, give us a nice spike here. You failing to break this support. After breaking it, it came and retested it and went to the upside. So the market has been playing inside this zone here between our support and our resistance. So when the market touch this zone, you're gonna be looking for buying opportunity. When the market touch this high, you're gonna be looking for selling opportunities. That's what the market has been doing. So now, because of market structure, as you can see, the market has been trading. Let me just take this. Let me just take this final one. Let me see this final one here. But we don't normally use this. Let me just we don't use this. We use this one because the market has been failing to break this zone. And just because before only 2 much better, much more somewhat clear. Let me do this some more much clear. So this ever since the market came to broke our structure, it went on the structure, which is this structure is what we call triangle. This is what we call a triangle falling wedge. So the market been trickling, been moving from a slow move, been giving us a small movement up and down, resistance to support a small move, and then this movement has been growing, gradually growing. So after the market does this, so we knew that the market has been failing to break this zone, so it obviously is going to create another structure. So by creating another structure, we're going to see a falling wedge. Boom. For this our falling wedge, we just do this. Just because of these spikes there. So this the market failed to break this structure here. The market failed to break this structure. So sometimes when I do this, let's put it there. So we're gonna still be looking for buying opportunity if the market continue failing to break this zone, because it has been failing to go to the upside. So we're just gonna be looking for buy selling opportunities around 85, 85, and go to the outside. Our first TP will most probably be here. Then we're gonna be looking forward to capture all this movement to the downside. But if only the market respect our setup, if only market respect this setup, that's when we're looking for those type of movement. But if the market happens to give us a touch here, if market happens to go to the outside, even this move, you can capture it from here to go back here. So the probabilities of this market going to the downside, giving us a bottom, most probably give us the double bottom, because the market has been failing to break this zone, coming here, giving us the bottom and going to the upside again. We'll be looking for those type of movement, but only if, depending on the what market does on that specific time, if the market comes here or triggers here correctively, we're gonna look for buying opportunity. If it just shoot to the downside, the most probably the market is gonna break this zone, do a breakout retest, and continue to the downside. So we're just gonna look for those opportunities. The market just might just come here, and just cancel this. The market just might come from here and go to the downside, give us a retest here and continue. This one makes much more sense than the other one, because you might just come here, do a retest here, to come and retest and go to the downside, depending on the time or when the market just do this. So this is our weekly analysis on GMT. Just this one is straightforward. This one is straightforward. Probabilities of it going to the downside are most high. So we're gonna just be looking for those selling opportunities because of this falling wedge. This falling wedge has not been broken. After this falling wedge been broken, that's when we're gonna be looking for those buying opportunities. Or if it creates a double bottom, here, that's when we're gonna be looking for those buying opportunities to go back here again. So this is my weekly analysis on the German DT. So go to NASDAQ, go to NASDAQ, go to NASDAQ, go to NASDAQ. So as you can see, after the market break this structure, we went and looked for those buying opportunities. We went and looked for those buying opportunities. And look for those buying opportunities. As you can see, this is a head and shoulder. This is a nice clear head and shoulder. If you can see this structure, you could have went to the upside with it. As you can see here, give us a touch there, give us a touch there, give us a touch there, give us a touch there. Yeah. Do this. Give us a touch there. You see, this is what you see. Usually the market failed to break this structure, and after breaking it came and retested it to show you this is a clear support here from here. So, and here as well, you can see this is a support line. And after doing it, it gave us a head and shoulder to go to the upside. So we have been taking all these buying opportunities. So now seems like from here, let me just put here, because let me just do this. Will be my this will be my support. This will be my support. So let me just look for this. Will be my support, but this will be my support. Let me just do this. Let me just do this. So as you can see, the market has been failing to break this structure here to go to the upside. So so for now, it's giving me another trend inside the trend. So basically what I say, trend inside the trend. How could have you captured this move? How can you have captured this move? Based because of let me say our our candlestick. You could have captured this move from to show you a rejection. You could have seen this move because of a rejection. Why would I be doing this? Why would I be taking this? Why would I be taking this movement? Because the market, as you can see, is close to the high, is in this high. So the market gave us a twist or top, a twist top. After giving us a twist top, it gave us an engulfing. After engulfing, as you can see, the red candlestick engulfed the green one. After the red candlestick, it gave us an inside bar. As you can see, this green candlestick has this red candlestick, which is an inside bar. The inside bar is much smaller than the bigger candlestick, which is the green candlestick here. So we're just gonna drop and give draw our line here. Basically that's what I did, draw my line here and know that the market has been rejecting, give us the first rejection, second rejection, and the fourth rejection. So this is what you call a high probability trade. For me, this will be a high probability trade. Why would I say be high probability? After giving this movement, I'm not gonna make my I'm not gonna move my stop loss so too high. I'm not gonna even put my stop loss. I'm just gonna do this just for you. But after seeing this type of information, I'm not gonna put my stop loss. So my opportunities here will be here, which is my first take profit will here. It already hit my first take profit. Then my second take profit will be here. Only if it continues breaking this structure, if it will continue breaking this structure, as you can see, there's a first touch, the third touch, and this could be our fourth touch. So when you are already in this trade like I am, you're just gonna move your stop loss. Just gonna move your stop loss to somewhere around here. Just gonna move your stop loss somewhere. If the market comes and kicks us out, it did kicks us out, but we were looking for those selling opportunities to go to the upside. If it comes here, the probabilities of might looking for those another selling opportunities, but it could have already just rejected our setup by our first touch, third touch, and our first touch, second touch, and the third touch. So this could be our overall movement to the upside. This could be our overall movement. We could have entered here. We could have entered here. But as you can see in our TP here, so this movement is not that type of movement that we take, but we will have to take it if it only comes and if the market comes and give us another, it must give us another rejection here. A rejection that you will understand, a rejection that you all know only, not only just by candlestick, not only just because by this touch. We have to see further much more confirmation that the market is rejecting our setup. So for me, I'll be looking for those selling opportunities because I already entered around here. I'll be looking for those selling opportunities, and my take profit will be here. My third take profit will be here. My third take profit is here. So my first was here. My first take profit was here on this touch. It already hit my second take profit profit is here, my third take profit is here. But we can even go as low as this, but I won't take that one. So this is our weekly analysis on Nasdaq. Let me go to Euro USD. Let me go to Euro USD. Let me just okay. So as you can see, it's already broke. It already broke and gave us a retest. So for now, for me, we are looking for those selling opportunities because as you can see, the market was trickling from this zone. It was moving inside resistance and support, resistance and support, resistance and support, support and resistance, support and resistance. After breaking our support, as you can see, after breaking it, our support gave us a retest here. So this retest was somewhere could have just could have taken this here. We could have taken this here. As you can see, after the market break, gave us double retest, the first retest here and the second retest, and it went went to the downside. So if we just most probably entered here, our 50%, even here my 25%, it wouldn't have not kicked me out yet if I would entered here my 25%, and I'll be looking for those selling opportunities to continue going to the downside with it. So my overall direction for now, I see all those selling opportunities to just continue to go to the downside. So this is my weekly analysis on Euro USD. So I'm your GFX mentor. If you like my videos, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can give you more content and more valuable content. There's still more that I can give you. So without any further ado, I'm signing out.